In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Google Drive, a simple yet essential skill for anyone looking to organize their digital life. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to create and manage folders with ease, allowing you to keep your documents, photos, and various files neatly organized and easily accessible. Whether you're using Google Drive for personal storage, work projects, or sharing with friends, knowing how to efficiently create folders will be a game changer. To start, you'll need to visit the Google Drive website. Open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com in the address bar. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Simply enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Drive interface. On the left-hand side of your screen, there is a large plus new button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to creating new files and folders within Google Drive. After clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options, including Folder, File Upload, and Folder Upload, along with various Google document templates. Next, you'll want to select the Folder option, which is typically at the top of this menu. Clicking this will prompt a small pop-up window to appear in the center of your screen, asking you to name your new folder. Think about what you'll be using this folder for and choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose. This makes it easier for you to find what you're looking for later on. Once you have entered a suitable name, press the Create button. Congratulations! You have now created a brand new folder in your Google Drive. You should see your folder appear immediately on the main Drive page. You can double-click on this folder to open it. Once opened, you can start adding your files directly into this folder, keeping everything you need in one convenient location. Having a good organizational system is crucial when managing large amounts of information. Consider setting up a hierarchy of folders for your personal files. For example, within your primary folder, you could create subfolders for specific categories or projects. To do this, simply repeat the steps we've just discussed while within your main folder. This efficient organization will not only save you time in searching for files, but also help keep your digital workspace clutter-free and streamlined. I hope this guide made the process straightforward and easy to understand. Keep practicing, and soon creating folders and managing files on Google Drive will feel like second nature. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!